So here's the deal, guys. Basically, I'll be reliving my childhood. I might possibly need a dentist tomorrow, or I might be sick later on. But who cares? I love candies. I mean, I don't eat candies now because I don't want to spoil my teeth, but as a child, I used to love candies. I used to hoard a lot of candies. Man, I used to eat a lot of candies. I'm surprised that I still have my teeth intact. But I have a big bag of candies right here that I got from a shop in the UK called Mr. Sim. So bear with me, guys. I know it's a lot of candies, but I wanted to try them out and let you guys know what the tastes are like. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the bag of candies. So hopefully if you come to the UK, you know exactly what kind of candies to get. So let's go. Hey lovelies, welcome back. So today I'll be testing out British candies, and I bought a bag full of candies from a shop called Mr. Sim here in the UK. Forgive the little spot right there. The candies have started melting because it's getting really hot. But as a child, as I mentioned in the intro, I used to love eating a lot of candies. When you look in my bag, I used to have a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot of candies because, you know, you're a kid, you love sweets. But I don't do that now. But I just wanted to relive my childhood and do something fun and lightweight so you guys can have a laugh. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my first bag of candies. And this is one from Poundland called Maynard Bassett's, and it's Wine Gums Mocktail. And this is what the pack looks like. Okay, so let's dig into this bag of candies. I do not know what these candies taste like, guys. So, yeah. Interesting shape. I don't know what's written on it, but I'm going to go ahead and taste this one. It's quite chewy. Quite sweet. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. And this round one, I'm not going to eat all of them, guys. I'm just going to try the different shapes. So out of this bag, I'm just going to try 3 different shapes. Oh, so this one is marked port. So this one is supposed to taste like port. You want some, don't you? I've got a bag full I can share with you. These are actually really nice. They are indeed mocktails because I do taste a little bit of alcohol, but they're not meant to be alcohol, if you know what I mean. Really nice. Very nice. I don't think I'm going to eat any more of this one, but yeah, the wine gum mocktails from Poundland, very nice. Okay, what else do I have here? I have this thing called Toxic Waste. That sounds really horrible. Toxic Waste. It's a green sour candy. Oh, let me see if I can open this. Let's see how sour this is, because I used to love eating Sour Patch as a kid. I'm sure you guys know Sour Patches. I used to love the sour taste of Sour Patches. So, how do you open this? I do not know how you open this. Gosh, guys, I'm already feeling sick. Okay, so I managed to get it open, and this one is the Toxic Waste. Oh, I don't really like the sound of that. But let's see if it tastes as awful as it sounds. Why can't I get these open? Okay, so they look something like this. And this one I got from Mr. Sim's. So they look like that. Hard. Sour. Child, that's really sour. I can't. Too sour. Not for me. Okay, so these ones are called, well, they don't have a name actually. This is what they look like. And I'm going to go ahead and dig into these, see if I can get that sour taste out of my mouth. So basically I'm going to try the pink, one of the pink. Nice. A bit like marshmallows, but not as soft. That is, sorry. This is a bit like mukbang, isn't it? Do you guys watch mukbang? I personally don't like mukbang because people are always posting it when I'm hungry. It's a bit gummy. I'm just gonna go ahead and swallow. I need water. Let's see if the blue one has a different taste. These are so nice. I'm definitely keeping those. These, they gotta go, mate. They gotta go. The only thing, they're a bit sticky. They stick to your teeth, but they are so nice. Out of all the sweets I've tried so far, I love these. I'm not eating any more of that. Okay, what else do we have? We have these that looks like they look like Twizzlers, but they are black. They don't have any name on them, guys. The ones that are branded from Mr. Sims, they don't have any names on them. Smells horrible. Smells like malt or something. Not really malt, but what's that thing called? Molasses. Ugh. Okay, so let's try this part right here. These are nice. I never expected these to be nice. I think they kind of taste like licorice. Maybe I like the tip of it because it had the sprinkles on there, but actually not bad. It tastes like licorice. Like molasses, yeah. Okay. Guys, I'm feeling sick, honestly. It's way too many sweets for me. Okay. So I'm going to try these out as well. And these are just from the counter. He just shows them for me. I forgot what these are called, but this one has sprinkles and is shaped like a heart. So let's see what that one tastes like. It's a bit milky, too sweet. Nah, I didn't like that one. And then this one, shaped like a coin. I'm just going to break a piece of it. Oh, that's really hard. I'll break that again. I just want a small taste. Chocolate, nice. This one's really nice. The pink heart-shaped one was way too sweet. It just tasted like milk, just pure milk, like milk powder. Okay. And this one is probably white chocolate. Let's have a taste of that. Man, they're tough. I don't really like the white chocolate much. I'm going to need a lot of water after this. Boy. I don't like the white one too much, but I have one that's shaped like a fish. Should we eat the head or the tail? Let's eat the tail. Tastes like milk powder as well. These are horrible. And there's one shaped like a rat. I'm not going to eat that one. Okay, so I don't like those at all. I don't. So these are some more from Mr. Sims. I don't know what these are called. They don't have any names. So they look like they have sugar on the outside and they have some kind of white stuff on the inside. So let's go ahead and taste. They're sour. Sour, but not too sour. But they have a bit of sweet because of the sugar on the outside. Not bad. These are actually nice. My favorites at the moment. Nice. I like those. Don't try this at home, kids. Don't try this at home. It's way too much sugar. I'm going to be bouncing off the wall. Okay, so this one is called Maxon's of Sheffield, England, and it's a Yorkshire mixture. So let's try that mixture out. If I can open it. Why are these so hard to open? Alright, so I managed to get them open. Let's go ahead. It's a mixture of sweets, but they look really, really hard. They are hard. Let's try this one. I don't know what it's shaped. It's shaped like a bat or something? I don't know. I don't know. I can't describe the taste of this one. Just pure sugar. Okay, let's have a taste of this one. They're so hard, guys. You could be here for the whole day sucking on these sweets. Oh. This one is very nice. It reminds me of a candy I used to eat as a child in Jamaica. Very, very nice. Speaking of Jamaica, I should do a tasting Jamaican candies for you guys because we have amazing sweets from Jamaica. We have like Buster, we've got Icy Mint, we've got Axe, we've got all sorts of sweets from Jamaica. I used to love eating those things as a kid. So maybe I will get someone to bring me some Jamaican candies and I can do a Jamaican tasting of candies for you guys. Let me know if you'd like me to do that for you. But I love this one because it reminds me of something I used to eat when I was a child. Very nice. Love that one. Okay, which one am I going to try? This one looks familiar as well. Let's have a taste. This one is quite minty. Nice. These are what you throw in your bag when you're going out and you want to freshen up your breath. Definitely. I want to put a couple of these in my handbag. Nice. I like it. I like this mixture of Maxon's Yorkshire mixture. I really like this one. It's, it's a nice assortment of sweets. This one is really good. Well, they're quite hard and they'll take you the whole day to finish. So yeah. I'll be here all day. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was something fun. It was something different. I'm sorry if your teeth started aching. Mine is about to start aching and I need a large jug of water to wash down all these sweets. I know I'm going to be bouncing off the wall, but I just thought it was something fun and different to do. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, thumbs up and let me know if you want me to do another video like this trying candies from a different country, do let me in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys later on. Mwah. Bye.